If you are a business owner and you've been on the internet in the past few years, then you will know who this man is. Alex Hormozi is probably the biggest business influencer there is. He makes $250 million a year. Amazing business, amazing guy, amazing insight. He knows seemingly everything about business. So how cool would it be to have him as your personal mentor and tell you how to do certain things in your business that you might be struggling with? It would be easy to scale that, right? The problem is, in an interview, he said that he takes about $50,000 an hour for his consultation or just to take this offers time. So I don't know about you, I don't have that money. But maybe there's a way in which we can still have him as a mentor but don't have to pay all of this money. And there is actually with AI. It's not him, obviously, but we can get pretty close, I think. So let's start and building his AI. We will be training this AI on all of his books, all of his playbooks, all of his websites and key insights from his last product launch, and basically everything there is about him on the internet and everything that he has produced. And if you want to have all of this, this entire chatbot to ask it your own questions, stick around to the end of this video, because in the end I will just give you this chatbot so you can ask it your questions. It's completely free as well. So let's get started. Here we are, and here's everything we need. We need all of this information. This is his playbooks from his last launch, the scripts he used in all of his videos and all of his pages. Here's all of the web pages he used in all of his funnels. Here's his spreadsheets with all of the data and with how much he spent on ads, which ends he did, and such stuff. Here's his entire roadmap that he has as a lead magnet on his website. Here's some more scripts. Here's some more web pages. Here's the last chapters, the $100 million offers. In here as well is Layla Hormozi's scaling framework. We have the closers handbook, the advertising handbook. We have $100 million leads, $100 million money models, $100 million offers. We have everything that he published in here. The second thing we need is Perplexity. We need Perplexity AI, and we need the pro version because we need this tool right here. We need the deep research function because we will ask Perplexity in a moment to come up with all of the links that he can find to Alex Hormozi so that we can get all of this information that exists of him on the internet. And then we need VoiceFlow, which is the AI we will use, or which is the platform we will use to build this very AI. So to start off, let's create a new project in here. And by the way, if you want to know how to create a VoiceFlow account, it's not really too difficult. You just go to voiceflow.com and then you just hit sign up for free, and then you have your free account. There should be a link in the video description to VoiceFlow as well, so you can just join that. And I have a free school community as well that you can join, and in there, in the school community, will be a link where you can get VoiceFlow Pro 1 month for free. Okay, so in here, in our dashboard, we're gonna call this Alex Hormozi. And now we want to create a prompt for how this AI is gonna work. So let me do that real quick. Okay, it's a pretty short one. I basically said he's Alex Hormozi, and he is supposed to only answer all of the business questions he gets from his knowledge base, and to do nothing more. He's supposed to ask questions to understand pain points and such stuff better. So let's go and create this project of him. Okay, looks very cool. Now let's go ahead and create the knowledge base. For that, we just go over here, we add data sources, and now we upload everything that we have in this document. Okay. Finally, everything is uploading. Let's go ahead and grab the links. For that, we go to Perplexity AI, and we're gonna ask him to do all of the get links stuff. So I asked him to get me all of the URLs that he's able to find in a context related to Alex Hormozi. Here we go, all of his links. Let's now go ahead and copy them and then paste them into our chatbot. Those are quite a few, so let's go. Okay, this was all we had to do. Now let's go ahead and ask him to see how this goes. Okay, so I asked him, I made a YouTube video where I built you an AI clone of Alex Hormozi to give me and my viewers business tips. Why should they subscribe? Let's go ahead and see what Alex Hormozi thinks why you should subscribe to me. He asked me a bunch of questions to better understand me and you. So let's tell him about you a bit. Okay, so I said that you are owners of businesses or software companies, and you want to get started with AI to help you with your businesses to grow faster and better and make better products. And I just want to give you everything you need to help you with that. Let's see what he says. He says that I'm solving your biggest pain point. He says that I'm speaking your language. He says that I'm ahead of the curve. Not bad, right? He says that I complete your implementation system. Very interesting. He said that I have a competitive advantage with my delivery. And he says, bottom line, you're not just another business channel, you're their AI transformation partner who understands software companies and delivers practical implementable strategies. If that doesn't speak to you enough to subscribe to the channel right now, then I don't know what will. So that you can talk to this, I will go ahead and publish this right now, and I will put you the link to this once into the description, and I will upload this as well in my school community, which you can join and should join absolutely if you want to get started with AI for your software business. That will be the first link in the video description. Somewhere in the description as well will be the link to this chatbot, so you can go ahead and start asking it questions. I hope this was valuable. I'll wish you much fun with this chatbot. I hope you will be able to grow your business exponentially with this. Obviously, this is not the real ACQ AI, but it is the best we can do to catch up to it. This was a bunch of work to find all of the information that was needed, and you can go ahead and watch this video up there right now. Goodbye.